foam and get sticky. They get a hold of it, they don't know what to do.
Come on, Diana, get the water! Get the water!
She's like a nose right now. Oh, that's funny. That spot right there needs watering anyway, really. You are so funny. Biting the grass.
I have never seen her even remotely want to play with water before. This is great.
Almost all dogs will. Very few dogs won't. As long as you make it fun.
Yeah.
It's just a bath and screw it. She's scared of it when it hits her in the butt. Oh, sorry. Oh, I don't want to scare you. Come on.